Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel where we make the code more fun and a little bit ridiculous. If we are being honest, today we are diving into the search menu. Yes, the holy grail of user interfaces. But instead of making it all serious, we are gonna spice things up with some humor and a dash of creativity. So buckle up as we turn a simple search bar into an epic navigation experience, or at least try to make it epic. Let's make sure this search menu isn't just useful, but a bit ridiculous too. Ready? And now let's dive in. So let's try to build our search menu. So let's try, and to create it, first of all, what you want to do it, first of all, you have a one text editor. Okay, if you do not have a text editor where you write your code on the paper using the pencil. No, you write your code on your text editor. But how you can write code in your text editor if you don't download a text editor? So let me tell you how to download the text editor. Do not take a stress. So let me tell you. To download a text editor, you first of all open your Google, and all people know how to open the Google. Okay, let me open my Google, and this type of an output will become search here Google. So in the search bar, write here your text editor name. From starting of this YouTube channel, I'm obviously using the Visual Studio Code because I'm very satisfied from it. Okay, so that's why I'm using the Visual Studio Code. So I'm writing my Visual Studio Code, download. So I'm clicking on it. So this type of an output will become download Visual Studio Code, Mac, Linux or Windows. So if you are on Mac, download Mac, on Linux to download on Linux, or Windows, or download on Windows. I'm on the Windows. Okay, so I'm downloaded on the Windows, but I've already downloaded, so I did not download it another time. So this is the free code. Visual Studio Code is a free and built-in open source integer, Git, debugging and extensions. In the Visual Studio Code editor, you get the extensions and all of these things. Okay, but anyways, when your text editor will be installed, so first of all you open it, and let me open my text editor. So when my text editor has been opened, I create a one new window. So this type of one output will become on your monitor, on your display screen. So you only want to do it, click onto the file and click onto the new file. The shortcut key is Control Alt Windows, and I'm not using the shortcut because I'm not a shortcut. I am a simple guy. Okay, so let me create a one file. And I'm making only in HTML, so I make only one file by the name of index.html, and I'm making this file on my document. Anywhere you make it, it is your own choice on E, D, C, B, E, F, G. Okay, I'm making documents. So when my file has been made, so let's start to write our code. So first of all, write doc type declaration, then HTML, then body, in which we write our all the HTML code. So let's start. Div class should be top nav, a class should be active, and then href hashtag home, and then home. Then one more time, a href hashtag about should be about. Okay, about. A href hashtag contact. Now here we define here input type should be text. Now here we define placeholder, and the placeholders will be in the side. Okay, in the side when we make our navbar, in the right side the placeholder will be. Okay, now we define our CSS code, and the CSS code will be redefined in our head section. Okay, so dot top nav. Okay, we do not write style element, and then without the style element we are writing our CSS code. Okay, overflow hidden, background color give E9, and then dot top nav. A should be float, should be left. And this video there is not any JavaScript code. Okay, there is not we are adding interactivity through a JavaScript in this video. The text color should be black, text align should be centered, and padding I'm giving him to 14 pixels and 16 pixels. Then text decoration I'm giving none, then our underline will be gone. Then text size, okay, font size means text size, I'm giving 17 pixels. Now I add a hover to it. Okay, now here I'm adding a hover to it. So let me add a hover. So background colors will be hashtag, okay, color hashtag DDD, and then text colors will be in black. Dot top nav a dot active background hashtag 2196 f3. Perfect. Then text colors will be in white. Dot top nav a input, and then in the square bracket type equal to text. The floats will be in right of it, and then enter press, and then paddings will be in 16 pixels of it. 6 pixels. Okay. Then borders will be in none, and then margin tops will be in 8 pixels. And margin right should be in 16 pixels, and the font size means text size should be in 17 pixels. Perfect. Now we do it in the responsive media screen. We define a media query, and then max width 600 pixels, and then dot top nav a comma dot top nav input, then type equals to text. The floats will be in none, and then displays will be below, and then text align should be in left, and then width should be 100%, and then margin should be 0, and then padding should be 14 pixels. Now perfect. Then we define dot top nav input, type equal to text, border 1 pixel, solid hashtag CCC. Now let me show you our project. Our project, let me build it, and now we add some font onto it. Font opens comma sans serif. Save it, and let me open my project. Okay, so now it is looking like this. So here you can see we build it, in the responsive we are also build it very easily. Yes, so here you can see it. In today's video we build this search menu. So I hope you can enjoy this class. If you enjoy, so like this video, and this you will put this type of project on your e-commerce website. It is very helpful for you, and it will save your time. Okay, not waste your time. Okay, but anyways, I hope you enjoyed this class. If you enjoy, like, share, subscribe, and do not forget to all the notification bell also. So now for today, and that's wrap for today videos. I hope you had fun and learned a thing or two about creating a search menu that's both functional and a little bit funny. If you enjoyed this, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and let me know in the comments if you have any hilarious or unique ideas for a search bar. Until next time, keep coding and keep it quirky.